The reason the Zomi people are here today is to call the federal government of India and to tell the world what is the current situation in Manipur state. Zomi Kuki people have been living in the hills of Manipur state for many centuries, even before we joined the Union of India. The Meitei people have been living on their own territory in the valley, and we, the Zomi Kuki people, live on our own territory in the hills. We had never ever been under any ruler or any government before the British Empire occupied our land. We had our own sovereign power on our own territory. We never came under the ruler of Meitei people as well. We are the indigenous people, according to the United Nations Declaration on the Rights of Indigenous People. We have full rights on our own land. After India became independent, they made two different sets of laws, one for the valley and one for the hills, because we are totally different with Meitei people. But even though they tried to protect the people in the hills, it didn't work very well. Our rights are not properly protected. We have been living together with Meitei people under one state administration for many decades. But from now on, we cannot live together under one state administration any longer. Yes. The reason is the Meitei people do not want to live with us. The Meitei people have attacked us first by using their majority power. And also, the state government of Manipur have handed more than 4,000 sophisticated weapons to the Meitei people to kill us and to attack us. That is the reason we cannot live under one state government. The Meitei people have burned down more than 350 churches, and more than 6,000 houses have been burned down. And they kill innocent Zomi people. Almost 200 people. That is none other than genocide. This is the reason we cannot live together with Meitei people under one state government. There's no room in the world for genocide, racial and religious discrimination. The Chief Minister of Manipur State, Mr. Biryan Singh, is deserved to be prosecuted at any international court. Honorable Prime Minister Modi and the federal government of India, today we are gathering here to appeal for the safeguarding of our land, our rights and identity. India is one of the largest democratic countries in the world. As a world leader, we know you are a wise and inclusive leader. We are begging you to understand our situation and help us get our own government. A separate administration for Zomi Kuki people. Separate administration is the only solution for peace and justice for all. Thank you.
Toda Dinpih, Onda, Buzotong, and Makaki.
in Manipur